Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with yet another painting with acrylic paints. So today I'll be showing you all how to make a modern art painting very easily with acrylics. Now, as you all must have already seen in the thumbnail, that today I'll be painting Lord Ganesha. And the supplies used for this artwork will be mentioned in the description box down below, so you all can go and check it out. Guys, I take orders and custom orders for paintings as well. So if you want a painting made for yourself, you can contact me through the comment box down below. So make sure to leave a comment if you want any paintings. And if you have any suggestions for my future paintings, then make sure to list them in the comment box down below. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now you all can enjoy watching it. So guys, that was pretty much it for today's video, and I hope that you'll enjoy watching it. And if you all did, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you won't miss any updates from my YouTube channel, and leave a comment in the comment box down below. I love to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all in the next video. Bye!